This video will show how I believe MMTLP could trade from Monday, November 28th to December 12th, 2022.
All investors must pay close attention throughout the next 2 weeks to determine when the hedge funds and market makers start covering MMTLP synthetic shares. Before I show you the potential scenarios for MMTLP trading, I would like all viewers to understand there is a lot of risk in this play because of these unknowns. 1. We do not know who has naked shorted MMTLP, aka torchlight shares. 2. We do not know how many naked shorts or synthetic shares have been sold, if any. 3. We do not know what loopholes the hedge funds and market makers can use to delay the squeeze again. 4. We do not know for certain if a squeeze will occur. 5. We do not know definitively how high MMTLP price will go. 6. Majority of information about MMTLP squeeze is speculative and based on information available publicly. 7. Therefore, this is a high-risk play. All of this in mind, only you are responsible for the way you trade your money in this play. All information in this video is strictly entertainment and personal opinion. Your job as the viewer is to listen to all opinions and ultimately make your own decisions. I am of the opinion that MMTLP is the torch to ignite all other squeezes.
I wish you all success, and now let's begin with the trading scenarios for MMTLP leading up to the record date of December 12th, 2022. MMTLP price closed at $10.03 on Friday, November 25th, 2022 with a day trading volume of 1.6 million. Investors have spoken to brokerages such as Questrade and TD Ameritrade and TradeZero and have been advised that all synthetic shares must be covered by close of Friday, December 9th, 2022.
This gives anyone who has shorted MMTLP shares and torch shares 10 trading business days to cover. Based on the most recent Google Trend Analytics, it seems MMTLP is being researched internationally over the past 12 months. Over the past 12 months, these 19 wealthy countries have been searching MMTLP routinely. 1. Canada. 2. USA. 3. South Korea. 4. Singapore. 5. Finland. 6. Israel. 7. Belgium. 8. Sweden. 9. United Kingdom. 10. Netherlands. 11. Denmark. 12. Norway. 13. Australia. 14. Italy. 15. Spain. 16. Mexico. 17. Germany. 18. France. 19. India.
If investors in each of the 19 countries, on average buy 250,000 MMTLP shares each day till December 9th, 2022, then the combined volume over the 10 days that hedge funds and shorters have to cover synthetic shares will equal 47,500,000 MMTLP shares bought.
More importantly, we can infer from Google Analytics that there will be a large volume of MMTLP shares being purchased on Monday, November 28th, and the volume could easily surpass 1.5 million.
In scenario 1, trading starts off good, but retail money dries up and many swing traders come and go, keeping the price stable, but explodes on the final day of trading December 12th, 2022.
Based on my experience trading MMAT, TRCH, and MMTLP over 2 years, I have noticed the following patterns. Most Mondays, the market makers and hedge funds and shorters do not intervene and allow the market to buy or sell MMTLP. On Tuesdays, the market makers, hedge funds and shorters usually start shorting gradually. On Wednesday and Thursday, the price is kept stable, and any surge is immediately squashed by shorting. On Friday, they usually allow MMTLP to surge in the morning, and then after 2 p.m., a gradual short attack is done. 30 minutes to an hour before close on Friday, the shorters and swing traders usually sell out to reap profits, so they may continue their cycle on the following Monday. Keep in mind that as the price of MMTLP rises, it becomes increasingly difficult for retail to keep buying it at such high prices. So, there's a strong likelihood that MMTLP will rise gradually and explode when retail least expects it. In scenario 2, there is increased volume throughout the 2 weeks. Shorters and hedge funds are forced to cover slowly and keep the price stable around $35, allowing it to go to $55. Then on Friday, December 2nd, the hedge funds will short MMTLP to convince retail the squeeze is over, dropping the price substantially by 60%. Then Monday, December 5th, MMTLP hits a low of $15, and volume picks up again and stays stable around $35. On Friday, December 9th, MMTLP again is allowed to reach a high of $48 but is shorted down back 50% in around $28. Then on the final day of trading, on December 12th, the price barcode between $28 and $18 to explode near the end of the trading day to well past $150. In scenario 3, big volume comes in on Monday and the price is maintained at $20 throughout the week. On Friday, December 2nd, MMTLP drops in price because of shorting and swing traders. Then starting Monday, December 5th, MMTLP price gradually rises to a high of $50, which is again short attacked on Friday, December 9th to convince retail the squeeze is over. Then on the final day of trading, Monday, December 12th, the price of MMTLP keeps rising every 30 minutes by $20 and explodes past $120 near the end of the trading day. In scenario 4, big volume and limited available MMTLP shares to short, cause the price to rocket up to $25, causing FOMO and getting even more retail to jump in. Price stabilizes throughout the week between $25 and $30. Then starting Monday, December 5th, the price again begins to move upwards again, reaching $65 on Friday, December 9th, and rips past $350 on Monday, December 12th, the final day of trading. In all scenarios, I am of the opinion that over the next 2 weeks of trading, the hedge funds, market makers, and swing traders will keep the price fluctuating. As the price increases, a large portion of retail will be priced out after $20 to $30. The available MMTLP shares to borrow is very low. Most long-term investors are confident that if they hold past the record date and don't sell any of their MMTLP and have their MMTLP shares convert into next bridge shares, that they will ultimately receive in excess of $75 to $120 per share. So, many long-term investors will not be selling for $30 to $60 until the very last few hours of trading.
I could only find one website, called stockyinvest.us/stock-price/TRCH, which had TRCH trading volume data from January 5th, 2016, to October 6th, 2021, when it mysteriously converted into MMTLP shares behind everyone's back end without any notice.
If you go on to page 4, you will find the dates of when the volume for the week reached over 1 billion traded TRCH shares, when the float was only 165 million. Meaning in that week alone it traded more than 6 times its float.
So, I added all 32 pages of TRCH trading volume data from January 5th, 2016, to October 6th, 2021. And added MMTLP trading data from October 7th, 2021, to November 11th, 2022, using Yahoo Finance historical trading data.
Therefore, the combined trading volume for TRCH and MMTLP equaled more than 5.7 billion shares over the 6 years of trading. If we conservatively estimate that only 10% of the TRCH and MMTLP combined trading volume of 5.7 billion shares was shorted, then that means there are in excess of 300 million synthetics.
I am of the opinion that TRCH and MMTLP have been shorted a minimum of 15%, in which case, there are more than 500 million synthetic MMTLP shares that will be required to be bought back before December 12, 2022 at 4 p.m.
And finally, we have scenario 5, infinity and beyond. If MMTLP is truly naked shorted many times the float of 165 million, then there is a chance that the price could rocket past $1,000, $1,500, $2,000, $2,500, or even higher. In case this does occur, I have preset few shares at outrageous amounts. Don't forget, GME squeezed to $500, AMC to $78, HKD to $2,500, nickel to $100,000, OSTK to $120. So anything is possible and you must prepare for any scenario. I wish you all success. Please subscribe, follow, comment and like.